Today, I will be showing you how to encrypt and share your documents with RES4Office using the Microsoft Office applications you are already using. This video assumes you have already installed RES4Office on your Windows host machine. If you haven't done this yet, see our earlier videos on the RES installation process for instructions on how to do this. Once you have your add-ons installed, you are ready to begin using RES4Office. Let's get started. When you open your Word, PowerPoint, or Excel applications now, you should be prompted for your encrypt and share login credentials. This is the password you use to initialize your device with the RES Wizard. Make sure that the same device is plugged in and sign in using that password. Once you have signed in to your Rosetta device, you can open up a blank document and notice that an encrypt and share ribbon has been added to your Office application. Select this ribbon and you will see a number of new options provided by the RES4Office add-on. These new options are Encrypt and Save, Encrypt and Share, Decrypt and Open, Manage Contacts, Settings, and User Profile. The first thing you will need to do to start using RES4Office is to export your shared keys and send them to the people you want to share your documents with. You will then need to exchange these keys with your team members and import them into your contacts database. If you haven't done this already, the process is explained in the earlier video in this playlist on sharing keys and adding contacts to RES. The process is the same in RES4Office, except you will be using the User Profile option in the ribbon to export your certificates, and the Manage Contacts option to add your contacts. Once you have your contacts set up, you can begin sharing your documents with people in your contacts list. The easiest way to do this is to select the Encrypt and Share icon from the ribbon. Once you click this icon, you will need to provide a name for your shared document in the window that is displayed. When you have finished entering the name for your shared document, click the Save button to continue. In the next window, you will need to choose who you wish to view your document. Simply select the people in your contacts list who you wish to share your document with to sign the document using their shared key. Only members with this signed key will be able to decrypt your document. In the submenu on the right of this window, you will have the option to digitally sign, compress the file, or use Key Witness Notary mode. I recommend always digitally signing your documents. The compression option is only really necessary for very large files. The Key Witness Notary mode is an optional mode that uses the Rosetta hardware on your machine to sign the encrypted document, adding an extra layer of security. If you are going to use the Key Witness mode, the digitally sign option must also be selected. When you are ready to continue, click the Share button on the bottom of the window. This will bring up a window for choosing which application you want to use to share your document with your team members. In the 64-bit version of RES4Office, Skype is not a supported sharing application. Choose which application you want to use, and the application will automatically be launched and your document will be attached. If you choose to share your document by email, Outlook will create an email for you with your encrypted document attached, and it will also use the email addresses for your contacts. You will also notice that a Sign and Send icon has been added to your Outlook ribbon. You will need to set up Outlook to use your RES certificates if you want to use this feature. If you want to save your file without sharing it, just select the Encrypt and Save icon from the ribbon. The process for doing this is almost identical to the Encrypt and Share process, except you won't have the option to share with an application. To decrypt and open a file, simply select the Decrypt and Open icon from the ribbon. This will open an Explorer window where you will need to browse to your encrypted file, select it, and press the Open button. If the document isn't signed with your encryption key, it won't open for you, although by default, every document you encrypt yourself will be signed with your own key. You can change the default behavior of your RES add-ons by selecting the Settings icon. There isn't really a whole lot of complexity to this, and any of these options can be changed at any time. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to start using your RES4Office add-ins for Microsoft Office. We hope you have found this video informative. Be sure to check back later to see other videos on using our other RES products.